Hello, everyone, and welcome to GreenShield, brought to you by Global Cannabinoid Solutions. Now, this is the ultimate cannabis safety guide, and the reason we put this together is that access to cannabis products is at an all-time high. Everyone's heard of CBD, everyone's heard of cannabis, but very few have actually been taught about cannabis products, how to use them safely, and really given the facts on cannabis as a whole, its products, and the industry as well around these products. Now, because of the illegality of cannabis and its historic prohibition, knowledge around cannabis, science, the law, and how to use it safely is incredibly scarce. And so what we've done is bring all of that information to you and condense it down into this ultimate cannabis safety guide. So in this training, we're going to cover 3 key topics. And so to kick things off, we're going to give you the facts around cannabis. You've heard about the medical properties, you've heard about all these wonderful uses, but what are the facts? What is the science? And what does the science say? So that's going to be section 1. In the second section, we're going to talk about cannabis and its legality. Where do patients stand? Where do CBD products stand? And how can you stay on the right side of the law and stay safe in this ecosystem? Thirdly, and to wrap things up, we're going to talk about how you can stay safe as a consumer, as a patient, as a member of your community, and give you all of the key information you need in order to protect yourself, your family, your friends, and your community as a whole as well.